I'm meteorologist Peter Hall, and this is your CNY Central First Alert Forecast. And as we look ahead today, a lot of action happening. We're watching already rain and snow showers coming into the area mid-morning. Around 10 o'clock for Syracuse in the 81 corridor, 9 o'clock for the Finger Lakes, 11 o'clock further east. We should have that precipitation coming through at least through early in the afternoon. And there might be a little break at around 2, 3 o'clock. But then 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, cold front goes through. With it, rain and snow showers again. Here's the thing, temperatures start falling, so don't be surprised if either the afternoon rush or the dinner time hour gets slick and slippery, not because of the amount of precipitation, but because of the fact that we're starting to drop below freezing could cause the roads to become slick. Then we transfer over to lake effect, off of both Erie and Ontario. Now, the stuff off of Erie is not going to be that heavy, but the stuff off of Ontario will be. So some minor melting today, and certainly a topsy-turvy weather pattern as we're starting in the 20s. We'll get into the 40s and go back into the 20s over the next 24 hours. Lake effect snow for some. The heaviest snow, and everybody's going to have wind, at least tonight and tomorrow, will be straight east of Lake Ontario. You get into Wednesday night and Thursday, and then it's a huge spray of snow showers and flurries with embedded squalls, which means that a large area of central and northern New York will get additional accumulation Wednesday night and Thursday, although the rate of snowfall probably isn't as dramatic as what will occur tonight and tomorrow east of the lake. Let me explain. Here you go. There's that kind of green and blue, the rain and snow coming in mid-morning through early in the afternoon, and there's the cold front going through. Remember, either the rush hour or the dinner time hour could get a little slick as we fall in the temperature department. Now, we get into tonight and tomorrow, and you can see the difference as I step out of the way. There'll be a spray of flurries in central New York with maybe a light snow shower that gets a coating to an inch. But the heaviest by far starts northeast of Lake Ontario and the Tug, and then moves kind of straight east during much of the day Wednesday. Notice that darker blue hanging out in that same area. Remember, when you get this type of pattern, it goes over the whole Ontario Lake here and also the upper Great Lakes. And that's where you can get your intense snowfall rates of over an inch or two per hour, which is why I'm going for such hefty accumulations. Now, what I'm showing you behind me are accumulations by 7 p.m. tomorrow. In other words, 7 p.m. Wednesday, not 7 p.m. today, 7 p.m. tomorrow. I think everybody, if you stop the clock and look outside, everybody's got a shot for one because of light flurries or light snow showers and maybe a renegade scattered snow shower. You get north of Route 31, and that's where you've got a better chance at 3 to 6. In fact, right here is where the band is entering the area towards the end of the evening, Wednesday. Remember, the band starts here and swipes like this and then ends at about there at 7 p.m. Wednesday. So it's spending its largest amount of time straight east of the lake, which is why I've got a large area of 6 to 12. And yes, you know how it works. Someone's going to get crushed. Somebody is probably the Tug Hill, and the red might have to be extended further west too. You get the drill. That's the amount of snow just through 7 p.m. Wednesday. Watch what happens Wednesday night. There's a large area of snow showers and flurries and a few embedded squalls. For Wednesday night, between 7 p.m. and 8 a.m. Thursday, there is very likely going to be a large area of 2 to 3 inches of snow for almost everybody. There's going to be some isolated spots that get 4 to 6, and then another 1 to 4 inches of snow Thursday. There's the sun and precipitation probability. You can find the 7-day forecast at cnycentral.com.